Hello friends, welcome to my channel for the first time. I hope that after watching the videos of this channel, you will become a profitable trader very soon. Today we will learn about a mobile trading strategy. You will see this video without skip it, then you will understand how the strategy works. You can see here, you must be seeing three lines here. These three lines are different moving averages. And below you will see the RSI indicator with Bollinger Bands. And today we will use these indicators to do the trading. You see some of the signals from a while ago. You can see here the RSI indicator which is touching the lower band of the Bollinger Band. And you can see that the red moving average has come down by crossing all the moving averages. Here you can see buy signal. And you can see here that the red line here gone up by crossing all the lines. Now we will create a position on the side of the sell in the current market. Because from here the market seems to be coming down very fast. And here our buy trade size will be 1.5 lots. And how much you have to keep your trade size, I will tell you further in the video. One thing you have to remember is that your stop loss. And we'll also set our stop loss on this trade. We will set our stop loss on the current high which the market has just made. Successful order place has been done on that sell direction. While using this strategy, one thing to keep in mind is that you do not have to trade at news time. I think you understand why I have sell trade here. And if you have any doubt after watching this video, then you can visit our website, whose link will be found in the description below. Now let's talk about where new traders make a mistake. Most of the new traders are not following money management properly and pay more attention to the signal, and despite being profitable they are unable to save their profits and generate losses. I have fastened the video bit here so that you will be able to see the result of this seat quickly. Always use stop loss in limit orders. Orders are instructions to your broker to place a trade when the price in the underlying market hits a certain level. Stop loss orders are placed on an open position to get you out of a trade if the market moves against you. It stops your loss. There are three reasons why you should set stop losses and limit orders on every trade. 1. It is just common sense to protect your downside. 2. Your mindset is better. You can't leave your trading screen knowing there is some degree of protection in place. 3. The process here helps you sense check the trade against your trading plan. Set your risk-reward ratio to a minimum of 1:2. Knowing about the risk-reward ratio (RRR) will definitely improve your chances of becoming profitable in the long run, and setting stop-loss in limit orders that protect your capital. RRR measures and compares the distance between your entry point and your stop-loss and take-profit orders. We did get onto trading styles in the next chapter, but scalpers and day traders should aim to have a minimum RRR of 1:2. Longer term swing and position traders should aim for a wider minimum of 1:3. For example, if the distance between your entry level and your stop loss order level is 50 pips, and the distance between your entry point and your take profit limit order level is 150 pips, then you would be using a RRR of 1:3, because you're risking 50 pips to potentially make 150 pips. 150/50 equals 3. The risk-reward ratio is a necessary tool to set your stop-loss and take-profit orders depending on your risk tolerance, and every wise trader should control the downside risk. So I hope you have understood how important it is to use stop-loss. So you can see now that we have generated very good profit at current trade. If you have experienced any confusion in understanding this strategy, then you can tell in the comment box below. And you subscribe to this channel will prove to be very beneficial for you. because in the next video we will talk about the new things of forex trading, knowing that you will be able to make your trading even better. Good luck.